Welcome to another exciting episode of Doug's Electronic Repair Bench.
Afternoon, YouTube. I am back here with you once again for a new project. Well, you've already seen the demonstration and the when I got it in the mail, but this is the Marantz 2120 belonging to Terry, Texas Viking. I printed out the bottom of the circuit board so I can see what I'm looking at, because I'm going to be turning this over and probably trying to get to it from the bottom. That's a lot easier. This is, I'm going to explain a few things first. This is a highly hybrid type equipment. 78 was when they were starting to get into large-scale integration chips that do functions that normally were done by discrete components, and they put everything, shrunk it down, put it on chips. So that was the deal with that. I'm trying to see something. I think that's 12. That's the wrong one. 1197. Trying to see which one is the chip I'm looking for. May have to use this. Sorry if you can't see so good. 1197. Well, I can't tell what that one is. It's a different number. Anyway, once I have the printouts, I can go through it and pretty much decide what I'm looking at. There it is, right there. It either has been replaced or it wasn't, you know, originally the Hitachi like I thought it was. Q302. That's a NTC chip. The original one I was supposed to be, I thought it would be the Hitachi chip that I found in the parts list. Anyway, what it is the stereo demodulator for the unit, and I found by doing a lot of reading and looking online that this chip is responsible for output of the left and right audio. So that makes sense, you know, that might be part of it. It also is responsible for lighting the stereo indicator light. So that doesn't work, and I don't have left channel, so that's got to be the best place to start in trying to repair this. So let me get the bottom off of this, and we'll see what we got underneath, and see if we can start troubleshooting this a little bit. I've got to get rid of these bags. These bags are always in my way. I thought I got rid of them the other day, but I pushed them back out of the way and didn't do anything with them. So I'll push them over here out of the way. How's that? Let me get this up again. I may cut a lot of this because it's just going to be me taking the bottom off. Really nothing to see. I'll have to find it on the thing. I think it's that one right there. I'm not really sure, but I think right there. That may not have been where I was looking at to begin with. I think it is. Yeah. That's it right there. Now what I'm going to do, or what I'm planning on doing, I'm going to put some images in here and show you where I'll be testing at. We're going to take the signal tracer and basically test this output of this chip and see what comes out of it. Again, what should be coming out is audio. At this point, the signal has been detected and should be turned into audio. There's a completely different audio detector or FM detector up here. With this problem, like I said, I think that has to be it, because there's no other components that are responsible for having the right and left output for audio and a stereo light. I mean, it's all combined in that one chip. And so if there is a problem with that, then it has to be a problem in there. Here, let me, I'm going to get my signal tracer set up now, so we can actually see what this is doing, if it's doing anything. Let me put an antenna on this too while I'm at it. 300 ohm. Not making much progress on getting rid of it either. It seems like I get more instead of less. Warming up. Turn that on. Oh, I heard something. Alright. Now I need my printout. Let me go get that. Alright, there's the left and right output is 4 and 5. So I'm not really sure how that's. I have to look at the see if I can tell from that. Signal tracer is working. Q302. A little magnification on this. Alright, 1 through 7's on the top side, coming from this way. So 4 and 5 should be 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, right there. Now I need a good ground point. Find that. Hook up the ground. Audio. See what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now that, let's see, this side here, this first one I touched is, I'm going to touch it. Is number 4, which I think is the left, or the right, I mean. Nope, that's left out. Huh. So 5 is the right. Maybe I've got these backwards or something, but definitely a difference in the sound there. You can hear the difference a lot louder on the one side. So that seems to say that the what do you call it, is working. Maybe I've lost it somewhere else. That's a bummer. What we're going to do next here